There's a town in America with a population of one. There's another town where more dead bodies live than living people. One town has been on fire underground since 1962 and it's still burning right now. And one town isn't even supposed to exist on paper. What if I told you America is hiding places the government would rather you forget? By the end of this video, you'll see 20 of them, and the last one will change how you see the map forever. Subscribe because it only gets darker from here. Let's get started. Number 1. Buffett, Wyoming. Population 1. One man owned the entire town, gas station, house, zip code until he sold it in an auction for over $90,000. Number 2. Monowi, Nebraska. One resistance. She is the mayor, the librarian, and the only customer at her own bar. Number 3. Columba, California. The death outnumbered the living almost 1,000 to 1. This town was built entirely around cemeteries San Francisco didn't want. Number 4. Wekiwachi, Florida. A town whose entire economy runs on women. Wuri performed as living mermaids underwater since 1947. Number 5. Whittier, Alaska. Nearby, every resident lives inside one single building, still off from a brutal Alaskan winter outside. Number 6. Cassadaga, Florida. A town founded entirely by physics and medium who claim they still speak to the death here daily. Number 7. Bradston, Kentucky. Postcard perfect bourbon country by day. Locals say the historic inns are some of the most haunting buildings in the south. Number 8. Slab City, California. No electricity, no water, no government. Thousands live off-grid on all military slabs in the desert. Number 9. Bombay Beach, California. Once a glamorous 1950s resort, now a toxic rotting shoreline turned surreal open-air art colony. Number 10. Rayolite, Nevada. A gold rush town that boomed to 10,000 people then vanished into skeletal ruins within a decade. Number 11. Helper, Utah, a mining town abandoned so fast that entire homes were left furnished, frozen in time. Number 12. Kinloch, Missouri. The government quietly bowed out and bulldozed most of this town to expand an airport runway. Number 13. Cairo, Illinois. Once a booming river port of in thousand. Today block after block sits empty and reclaimed by nature. Number 14. Love Canal, New York. Homes and a school were built directly on the top of a bird chemical waste dump. Number 15. Church Rock, New Mexico. Site of one of the largest radioactive spills in US history, larger than 3 Mile Island. Number 16. Pitcher, Oklahoma. Lead contamination got so served. The EPA evacuated and erased the entire town. Number 17. Gary, Indiana. Entire neighborhoods stand abandoned, swallowed by trees, in a city that once symbolized the American dream. Number 18. Centralia, Pennsylvania. An underground coal fire has been burning beneath this town since 1962 and it's still burning today. Number 19. Times Bridge, Missouri. Contaminated with dioxin so toxic the entire town was bowed out, bulldozed and legally ceded to exist. Number 20. Raquel, Nevada. The closest town to Area 51. Resistance report constant surveillance and local says the government has erased it from curtain maps entirely. From a man who owned an entire zip code to a fire that's burned for over 60 years to a town the government tried to erase completely. America isn't short on hidden places. It's full of them. Somewhere abandoned, somewhere buried, somewhere never supposed to be found. The scariest part, these are just the 20 we know about.